Hello guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to hack Subway Surfers. Let's go. Okay, first you need to download Subway Surfers as I have done. So you will have Subway Surfers. The second thing you need to have is Aptoid. Aptoid is like an app like Play Store which can be used to download files like Freedom, APK, APK Freedom, APK Lucky Patcher. So I have Aptoid. You can download it from browser, UC browser or Play Store if it's available. You need to type Lucky Patcher in Aptoid. Lucky Patcher, Lucky Patcher, Lucky Patcher. Okay, this is the one. The version is 5.9.5. It's 5.3 MB and it's trusted. Okay, so I have already downloaded Subway Surfers, as you know. I've already downloaded Lucky Patcher version 5.9.5. Lucky Patcher, open it. Because I have recently downloaded Subway Surfers to show this app. Follow my steps. If you want, I can show you again. Open menu of patches first. When it comes in the screen, this is the screen. These are the options. Launch app will let you play, but first you need to do the third one, and then however you have just one option, then four options. In these four options you need to click on the third option. The third option says APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation, so that's the one. Let's go. Rebuild the app. Remember, don't click on this. I don't know what will happen, but I never done it. So safe way is better. First one, second one, third one, no. So we have to click on the first and second. I have clicked, but it says no. So I'm showing you like there are no ticks now. Then click on the first, click on the second, and then rebuild the app. If they are already ticked, then don't go to click it. I click just to show you. Okay, until this goes on we can just pause. Actually it comes choose success, which is the first one, and the last two are to be failed. In mine the four are completely failed, but that's not a problem because I've already hacked the game. So it's failed, failed, failed and failed. When the first time you hack, it comes success twice. Even if it doesn't come, don't mind it. So go to file, click on that and uninstall and install. Just don't directly install it. So it's uninstalling, then install the new one. Okay, as it's done we can go and play. For the first time when we open it we have to play for a while. That's the problem, but that's no worry, we can still continue. Okay, it's downloading, it's downloading, it's downloading, it's installing, it's installing. Go, go, go. Be the Orange Army. Okay, it's done. Open it. Subway Surfers, yeah. Subway Surfers, woo. Subway Surfers, yeah. Subway Surfers. This is the 5th year, I guess. Yeah, it is the 5th year of Subway Surfers. And happy birthday, Subway Surfers. Run the legs of the fatty running behind you. Let's go. You have to play the first one. shows the instructions which I don't even need actually. I've downloaded the game a lot of times, I guess 2-3 times. I guess it's hanging. Where do you think this guy is? It sucks. No problem. However, we are going to hack it, so that's not a problem. I guess that's only for me. Not a problem. No problem. No problem. There's no problem. And I'm soon going to do a video upon how to hack Play Store. So if you want to see that video, please subscribe this one. The more subscribers, the better videos to get. Oh, I just missed a birthday cake. Okay, sorry, I'm just playing over here. I guess I must lose. I'll take the die and I lose. Okay. 5 0 5. Okay. Now go home and then shop the plus one. Go for keys, I guess. Keys are better. Yes. And I got the keys. Go on, take the keys, go, 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 take the keys. I guess I'll take this one now for once. I'll buy some people. Okay. Let's go store. Me. Store. Okay, this one is limited. I'll buy right now. Next outfit is also limited ones, so I'll buy them first. Limited ones, I guess I have to buy first. Oh, that's ugly. No problem. Mina, what a name. Okay, the Action Prince, I like him a lot. Let's play with pins. I don't even need these 3 stupid keys. Okay, if they're giving me, I don't mind. Stupid 3 keys. Thank you guys, like my video, subscribe it, and don't forget to view it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe it, don't forget to like it. Just don't dislike it, because I know you people like me. Oh, bye. Thank you.